Hi, my name is Jacob Johnston, and this is my soldering board kit demonstration. As you can see, I have all the connections in. That was just some practice. And then I have just this hooked up to the DC power supply. I couldn't find the 9-volt battery. Well, I have one in my multimeter, but I didn't want to take it out. And there's the volume control, and it's just hooked up to the speaker. So with the flip of the switch, the LEDs are flashing back and forth, and the siren is going just as it should. If I control the volume knob, it gets louder. If I turn it down, it gets quieter. Alright. Yep, so it's perfectly functional. And yeah, so we'll just flip that off, watch it die down. Okay. Disconnect the leads. Yeah, I'd never soldered anything before, so this was the first time. Well, I guess I've soldered a few things, but not a circuit board. As you can see, I got some of the connection. Like, those are just practice, I guess. I saw it in another video, so I thought I had to do it. Each one of those pins soldered in. The little timer piece, that was more of a difficult one to solder in, just because of how close they all are. But yeah, that's the back of the board. Yeah, it was a bit of a task. Took a couple hours, but I was very impressed with what I was able to do. I didn't think that it would be as easy as it was, and it was very satisfying when you flip that power on and everything starts working like it's supposed to. The directions were very straightforward. Showed me exactly what I need to do. Here's a little picture of the wiring diagram. And it'll show you how from the timer it'll go to the different resistors and send different signals to the LEDs from the power. Okay, yep, that's my soldering board and the demonstration of how it worked. Thank you.